And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 196. Let me show the Pack and Bloat tool. It's a simple to use effect. We're gonna create a hexagon, so 6 corners. We go to Effect, Distort and Transform, it's the second option. As I've said, simple to use, just make sure that the preview is checked, and then you can use right here the slider towards Bloat. It's gonna round your anchor points to the outside, and then Packer will basically suck it in. Let me do that with the rectangles, so now we only have 4 anchor points, and therefore we only get 4 of these bloated or puckered elements. In principle, this also works on text. Let me size that up holding Shift, but be aware you can't really go to huge values, extreme values, because then your text becomes unreadable, and you can access the last effect right here directly, so you don't have to go down, try to find it again. So you can see around 30% plus and minus still works, but if you go to extreme values, you can't read the text anymore. Don't forget to confirm you're okay, and this is how you can use the Pack and Bloat tool in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.